A very new category by mutual fund, which is SIF, has been recently launched. Let's understand whether this SIF makes sense to your portfolio or not. For this, you have to watch the video till the end. Now let's understand, when the markets are falling, mutual fund also falls, and certain cases mutual funds can fall more than the market, because mutual fund doesn't have any such options where they can hedge their unhedged portfolio. But in SIF, they can hedge their portfolio up till 25% of the portfolio. And in more simpler term, 25% of the portfolio can be short and money can be made when the markets are falling, so that they can beat the volatility and can make more returns when the markets are falling. SIF is a mutual fund where they are allowed to take 25% of their unhedged portfolio in derivative position. Now here is the very interesting part. Let's talk about the taxation. When you're investing the derivatives and you're getting any income, it is taxed as per the income tax slab. But in mutual fund, the income is taxed at the rate of 12.5% capital gains. And at present, there are 3 SI which has been launched. Quant Equity Long Short Fund, which is like another of Flexi Cap, where 25% of the portfolio can be invested into derivative. SBI Magnum Hybrid Long Short Fund, which is again like your BAF, where 25% can be invested into derivative positions. Edelweiss Hybrid Long Short, it is again like a BAF, where 25% of the portfolio can be invested in derivative positions. So overall, SIF gives you a smart way to handle the ups and downs of the market, but before investing, you have to understand in detail about the SIF.